Misty, let's go to you. Why did it take so long to arrest and charge David, especially in light of some of the timeline gaps, right? We heard Camila lay out. She was last seen April 2025. The body found in a car months later. And then now, what, 8 months later, we have these charges. What's going on?
Yeah, so the body was found in September. And due to that time span, the decomposition, the body was dismembered. That's a significant challenge when the medical examiner has to look at this case and determine the time and the means and the manner of death. And that can be something that can take a bit more time. And it's likely that that medical examiner report will now become public. They said earlier today at the press conference that it would. It's been under seal. So that should give more insight into those issues. But keep in mind, this investigation has been going on during this time period since September. We know that there was referenced forensic, digital, and other types of evidence that have been collected outside of that report. That's something that's going to put together the pieces to ultimately bring charges that especially are the most severe in the state.
And just quickly, it was mentioned these special enhancements to the crime. Can you explain what they would need to prove there?
Yeah, so we're talking about a first-degree murder that's an intentional murder case, but it can actually be brought more severity if you can prove one of these special enhancements. And there's three, and it's really intertwined because remember, he's also charged with lewd and lascivious conduct. That's sexual contact with a minor under 14. And everything is together because that's a standalone crime. But one of those special circumstances is that she was a part of an investigation and was killed. The other, that she was he was lying in wait. So these are all different elements that prosecutors will take on. It's more that they would ultimately have to prove at trial.
All right, Misty Marris, Camila Bernal, thank you both so much.